This is the exact same spot that I'll be sitting tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. West Coast. If you guys are trying to learn how to make money, trying to learn how to raise your credit, trying to live a better life for your family and have freedom. Remember, the battle cry is freedom, guys. It's not how much money you can make. Live a life on your terms and stop worrying about driving through traffic and trying to figure out how to get to work so you're not late so you don't get fired. I'm trying to teach you for free 3 things you need to do, but you got to show up, right? For 15 years now, I've been showing up. Just show up. I promise you, if you just show up, you're not going to waste your time. Look at all those books behind me. The education, the amount I spend every single year, over $100,000 to meet my mentor for 4 hours. I'm willing to share that stuff with you exactly step by step of how to do it. So click the link, get registered now. I literally only have like 15 seats left for tonight. It's at 8 p.m. I want to see each and every one of you guys on this free class. Okay? I will see you. Thank you for being you, and thank you for being honest, and thank you for taking action. Mike from the Credit Game Mastermind Edition. I want to see you guys tonight at 8 p.m. at Eastern Standard Time. Let's rock and roll, guys. I promise. Be the best few minutes you ever spent with me. If it's not, jump off. No harm, no foul. The only thing you got to gain is freedom. Everything you have to lose is going out drinking or partying and not making and taking action. Take action today. Just click the link, and I'll see you guys tonight. Take care.